Hello, I am here with Olli.
Hello, everybody.
So Olli has been in Kopangan for a couple of years and is a therapist with different type of modalities. And we are very lucky because he's going to join us on the retreat with a Sound of Light class. Wow, what is Sound of Light?
So, Sound of Light is a very special therapeutic form. So, we're using light energy and sound waves to help the people to go in a very deep state of meditation, actually to go out of their conscious mind into the subconscious body, where the inner guidance of the subconsciousness, so their own healing system take place, get activated, and then people having really interesting experience. Some people going to past lives, some people have emotional releases, seeing themselves in childhood, and so on. So we're working on all the four bodies, like physical body, mental body, emotional body, and energetical body. And on all the four bodies, it's kind of cleansing, harmonizing, can take place. Depends where the people are and what they want to release or what they want to invite into their life.
Sounds very interesting indeed. You probably heard of brain waves and how different music can and sound can change brain waves, etc. And also Olli introduced a concept of having multiple bodies. This is a very well established concept in yoga, in the yoga system. So what are the benefits? How do people feel after the class?
So the benefits can be very different actually. So as I mentioned, because everybody is different, everybody is on a different level and is, let's say, can surrender more to go deep. So the benefits actually is like really harmonizing, cleansing, inducing self-healing. So you can work on the physical body if you have chronic pains. We can work on depression, anxieties. We can work and cleanse and release emotional blockages in the body. So very different actually, and depends also. It's like if we're working individually, so then we can work more with the person and their individual needs. And in a group session, of course, we can do like Reiki sessions. I'm combining it with Reiki and also with other kinds of energetic, like touch healing, where you use the palms and the hands during the session. And so you can use very nice meditation and Reiki sessions to go deep. And actually it's like the person itself, like I'm the space holder, but the person itself and their subconscious navigation and healing system actually guides them exactly to the point where they have to be in this very moment.
Sounds good. So being present, is the key to many things. So sounds lovely, Olli. So are you looking forward to being part of the retreat?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, give me 5.
Looking forward to meeting you.
Cheers.
See you in Kopangan.